Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Luba, and in my hands you can see the little goats. These are toys from my new paid crochet pattern, Little Goats, Millie and Billy. If you are interested in, you can purchase them in my shops on Etsy and Ravelry. I'll leave the link below in the info box. The pattern includes everything you see here, the toy and the clothing for it, for girl and for boy. And today I'd like to show you a small part of this paid pattern, this flower crown for girl goat. So in this video we are going to crochet this little crown together. You can use it for any toy, not just for this goat, because you can easily adjust the number of flowers to fit any size head. You can also use any yarn you like, just make sure to choose the right hook size. I'll be crocheting with a lightweight cotton blend yarn art jeans, and a 2.5 millimeters hook. So let's get started. For the flower crown, chain 35. Now into the 5th chain from the hook, work a slip stitch. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 5th. Close it into a ring like this. The yarn tail stays on the right. From here we start crocheting the first flower petal. Chain 3. Then into the ring I work 2 double crochets and 2. Again chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the ring. That's the first petal. We need 5 petals total. Chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 3, slip stitch, and repeat 3 more times. 2 double crochets, chain 3 and slip stitch. If you run out of space, just push the worked petals to the right and continue crocheting. Again chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 3, slip stitch, push it again, and the last one, the 5th petal, chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 3 and the slip stitch. Now from here chain 3 and attach to the opposite side, to the wrong side of the flower, into these loops on the back of the petals. On the other side of the flower from your starting point. 1 slip stitch. Here is how it looks. Now we will crochet the whole flower crown with 1 thread. Now we are moving to the second flower. Work chain 7, and a slip stitch into the 5th chain from the hook. Close the ring and work the next flower the same way. we need to crochet 5 petals. Chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 3 and a slip stitch. If the distance between flowers seems small, don't worry, it will stretch out when placed on the head and fit perfectly. Continue crocheting. The last chain 3 and a slip stitch. Then again from here chain 3 and attach to the opposite side with a slip stitch on the wrong side of the flower through these loops. Chain 7 and continue the same way. You should make 7 flowers total. I finished the 7th flower. Now chain 3, slip stitch on the opposite side of the flower, it is the last slip stitch, and from here work 30 chain stitches. Fasten off, cut the yarn, pull the yarn tight and trim it, leaving about 3 mm to prevent unraveling. And here is your flower crown. Tie it on the goat's head like this, with all flowers facing forward, and tie it at the back of the head. Such beautiful flower crown we have.